Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the JMA modified RSI. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the JMA modified RSI. Before we do though, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So, to date, we have tested 299 indicators, and out of those 299 indicators, 117 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now, you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 117 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So we'll go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the JMA modified RSI. And so you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so it consists of a few different kind of pieces here. And so what we have is your RSI line, which is the really thin kind of blue and orange line there. Let's see if we can't bump these up just a little bit. I guess it's green, or like a, was that like a teal or turquoise type color. All right, and then we can bump this one up just a little bit more as well, like so. Okay, so we have the RSI line, which is this orange and teal turquoise type colored line here, and then we have a few different moving averages that are kind of plotting the overall direction that we should be looking to take signals in. And so if we ignore the RSI line and we look just at the green and red and the big purple and I guess it's green here kind of, but the big purple line there, then what we are looking for is these two lines to give us the overall direction. So when the green and red line is above the purple line, we are only looking for long signals. And what we're looking for is a dip down to the line and then a break back above or a glance off of it. So like right here, you can see a prime example. The green and red line is above this big purple line, and you see that the RSI line comes down. It glances off of it right here and then continues back up. That would be a long signal, and as you see, that would have worked out rather nicely. Over here on this side, if we are looking here, the red and green line is below the big purple line, so we're looking for only shorts, and you can see here that the RSI line comes or breaks back down below this area right here. And you can see kind of another example of it over here where it breaks down below that line. So it comes down, breaks down below that line. So that's kind of what we're looking for, either a break through that line or a glance off of it. All right, so let's go ahead and get on with the testing process and see what we can get out of this. And we'll just keep an eye on it here. I'll look for further signals. So you see here that the green and red line is above, and again it switched from purple to green in this particular case, and so like I said, the green and red line is above this big main line here, the green line in this particular case, and then you can see that the RSI breaks up above this green and red line right here, giving us a long signal. And as you can see, looks like that one worked out for us. Let's double check. Yep, definitely would have gotten us to take profit. So not a bad little signal there. All right, so right here, the red and green line is below the bigger line. In this case, it's green. And so we would ignore this as it breaks up above there, following along here. All right, so now we're below there. See if we get a break back above. There we go. So we pick up a break back above right there, and once again, that got us to take profit rather nicely. Continue on with it here. Looks like we get a break above just barely. Let's see if we can catch the coordinates of this. 76, and it looks like, yep, right there it breaks up above, and so unfortunately that one would have been a losing trade as it reversed on us almost immediately there. See over here, we pick up a long signal right there. That one again would have gotten us to take profit. Continue on with it here. We're getting close to the end of the year. Let's see if we pick up any more signals. We did right before the end of the year. Looks like right there. Yep, we did pick up one more right here. Let's go ahead and play it out, and looks like that one gets us to take profit as well. Yep, sure does. All right, so before we add these up, now would be a good time to say, this would be a good time to say that if you are really interested in getting on top of the trading game, if you are a new trader or even a slightly experienced trader, if you're looking to dial in a trading strategy, or you're just looking for some general overall advice on where to go next to become a profitable trader, what I would highly recommend is that you join our Discord server. And on our Discord server, we have a Patreon only Discord channel. If you join our $9 Patreon, it's super cheap. It will give you access to the Patreon only channel on our Discord. And on that channel, we give a lot of advice, detailed advice, more in-depth advice from some of the senior members on the Discord server about trading strategies and ideas and overall trading advice, as well as our admins, especially Jay and Rob, and some of the other members like Sasquatch, are often posting regular trade ideas almost on a daily basis. They are outlining and posting screenshots of charts where they have marked off areas of interest and are giving their trade ideas of exactly where they are entering and exiting and taking profit on these particular trades. Jay alone, since we have been tracking his trade ideas, he is basically growing a small account, has been able to gain a regular 5% gain on a small account. And if you consider that most trading brokers, most Forex brokers will give you a leverage of anywhere between 10 and 30 times your money. If you put in even $1,000 or $2,000 into an account, 5% can add up really quick. We're talking about $5,000 to $1,000 a week gains on a trading account. And so if you're really looking at trying to understand the ideal market conditions to be able to have those kinds of gains, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel and get a lot of insight into market conditions, strategies, and advice. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get these all added up here. And I say all added up like there is a whole bunch, which there is not. So we have 5 trading signals altogether here. And out of those 5 signals, we have 4 winners. So very similar to, I think the last indicator that we tested had just about the same, I think the exact same number of trades and same winning trades. So very interesting. Another decent indicator. Again, I wish it gave a little bit more signals within 1 year's time, but as a few of the commenters, few of you viewers out there have commented before, is that on a lower time frame, might be able to get more trades out of this. We just have to be careful that going down to a lower time frame doesn't jeopardize the efficiency of the trading signals. So it's one thing to be mindful of. But for now, it's definitely going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.